Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, still Tuesday, July the 2nd, 2024. We have here in this additional seven extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus we have here, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So it's a lot of puzzles for day. Let me continue with the first one, the 3 star Sudoku number 8830. 8830. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place left with a 4. I should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left with a 4. I should be there. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 4. Yeah, let me wait. How about the last column? We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the last column is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in the last column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, then how about 985? Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Well. Then, oh, we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. How about the number? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left with 8 should be there. Well, need 8 here. Need 8 there. 3 and the 7. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Alright, and now let me see. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes down. Need a 9 here. Nope. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. Need a 3 there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the mod. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 8, 7, 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. Look, we have 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and the 8, 1 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, and now mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have an 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for the mod. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Alright. Need a 3 there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. Only place left for 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 4 here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only two places left is 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left with 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 6, 9, I need a 1 here. Okay, how about the 3s? Do we have all the 3s? Yeah. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, okay. How about 2, 9? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in the first column, so no 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, 6, 6. How about a 9? 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1 and a 4. Alright. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've marked this box with 6 or a 9. We have a 9 now in the last column, so this box should be a 6. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then 1 and 9, 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, faster than 15 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a 3, not a 2. Actually, should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So it's a 0, not a 1. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.